So that's a little bit more crusty than I thought it would give me. Apparently that's a gasket there, but let's watch what it sounds like with, well, no muffler. Oh dang, it's hot in here. Holy cow. Oh, it's hot. Oh dang. Just gonna open this door real quick. We ain't gonna go anywhere because just make sure that ain't first. That is not on. Let's turn it on. Okay, ready? It doesn't even sound any different. I don't hear a single difference, no way. Get a little louder. Idle sounds pretty much the same. Let's see what throttle sounds like. It sounds the same. How does it sound the exact same?